Yummy? Good job. It's so yummy, baby. Wow, fruit.
Okay. Later na, later na.
Hello and welcome to Trending Pinoy Celebrity. Asawa ni Jong Hilario na si Maia Azores, nagbahagi ng nakakaaliw na video ng anak nilang si Baby Sarina. Sa kanyang Instagram story, ay makikita si Sari ng sarap na sarap sa kanyang pagkain. Samantala, ilang napakagandang larawan ni Baby Sari para sa kanyang 3rd birthday bukas, March 27, 2024 ang ibinahagi nila sa social media. Dumagsa naman ang libo-libong pagbati mula sa kanilang mga tagahanga.
No, it's cold.
Cold na. What are you eating? Ooh, crispy duck.
French fries.
That's crispy. Yummy? Good job. It's so yummy, baby. Wow, fruit.
Okay. Later na, later na.
Sorry. Is it good?